So very quickly before the video starts, thank you for clicking on the video. This is going to be a video about how I install the flashed E.C.U from 550 Performance. I just wanted to explain a few things really quick. Basically what the tune does is it raises the rev limiter to about 11,500 RPM, so it increases it by 500 RPMs. It raises the warm idle from 1250 to 1500 RPMs, and it richens the fuel mixture throughout all the different maps. So it richens the fuel mixture throughout the idle map, the cruising, and then the acceleration mapping. So basically just all around richening the mixture. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing I'm gonna need to do, one of the first things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the seat, because that's where the E.C.U is right under the seat. And if you have never taken the seat off of a 250L, it is extremely easy. There's only 2 bolts that hold the seat on. I honestly can't tell you how many times I've taken the seat off, but once you get those 2 bolts out, all it is you just literally pull it back and off. I'm also going to pull off this back cover here, because this is where the E.C.U should be under. And from everything I have read, everything I have seen about it, this is literally just a plug and play operation. There we go. And here is the very dusty E.C.U. So here, way back here, it's in one of the most protected areas in the bike for mud and water. This is the E.C.U. It's literally, you just take off the seat and take off this back cover and you can replace it. I am going to disconnect the battery just to be on the safe side. I don't think you have to do it. I was just told it's good practice when you're working on electronics to do so. Now all I'm going to do is unplug the old E.C.U and plug the new one in. And you can opt to send this one in and get it reprogrammed. I opted to get a new core, just because why not? And also if I need to put it back to stock, if it doesn't work or something like that, I can do that. So just like that, the new E.C.U is in. Just in case you're wondering, this little bit right here is actually not attached to the E.C.U. It's a little rubber sleeve around it, and it allows you to put it in here. But I took it off of the old E.C.U. Here's the old E.C.U. Over the years, it's got some dirt on it. I'm sure it's fine. Probably clean it up a little bit, maybe get some electronic cleaner. But yeah, the main part is over. It's really that easy. You just plug and play. Now for the battery again, which I hate. This is going to be the longest part of I promise you, this part, me hooking the battery up because I'm fucking scared of electricity, has taken like double the time that the entire rest of this, like disassembly and everything, took. Alright, so I'm going to start the bike up. There will be a check engine light. I think it's supposed to last for about 3 cycles. So we'll see. Alright, so I think I would do that 3 more times, but I'm going to go ahead and start putting stuff back together while it's kind of running. Alright, so now that the video is over, I want to take a brief second to thank you for watching, and also tell you that I will be giving my impressions of the tune. It's going to be more of a motovlog style video where I'm actually going to be on the bike and talking about it at the same time. And I will try to have some actual hard data numbers to prove it. I'm not going to dyno the bike, but I will compare top speed, cruising speed, 0 to 60 if I can. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for that video. It'll probably come in a week or 2. I haven't been really good at posting, but I'm going to try to get back into the swing of it, as it's about to be summer and I'm going to have more time to do that sort of stuff. So thank you for watching. please check out any of my other videos that you should see on screen right about now. And this is going to probably be in a playlist of other videos of the 250L build. I'm going to have some other videos coming out soon about some of the cosmetic stuff I've done to it and other mods I've put onto it and mods to come. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.